The photography world is buzzing once again this time. All eyes are on Nikon. Two anticipated camera models, the Z90 and the Z73, are stirring up serious discussion. These aren't minor updates. They might just shake up Nikon's position in the competitive mirrorless market. Whether you're a sports shooter, a wildlife enthusiast, a landscape lover, or a content creator, both cameras are shaping up to be worth watching. Let's dive into the Z90 first. Although Nikon hasn't officially introduced it yet, the leaks are convincing, and the rumors align with what many fans have been hoping for. Some are calling it a mini Z9, just as the Z8 was nicknamed before its launch. This could be the high-end APS-C mirrorless option Nikon users have been waiting for. Currently, Nikon's APS-C offerings, like the Z50 and Z90, are mid-tier models. While solid, they don't quite go toe-to-toe with high-performance rivals such as Canon's EOS R7. The Z90 could finally fill that gap. Based on what's circulating, it's shaping up to be a serious upgrade. Spec-wise, the Z90 is rumored to feature a 33-megapixel DTX sensor, a big leap from the Z50's 20.9MP. That extra resolution means more detail, better cropping options, and more flexibility in post-production. It's not just stills that benefit. Video capabilities are also expected to get a major bump. The camera may offer 4,000 recording at 60 fps using oversampling, which translates to better clarity and detail. For video creators, that's a major plus. There are also rumors of full HD recording at 120 or even 180 fps, ideal for silky smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for cinematic work or action-packed moments. For fast-moving subjects, the Z90 may be able to shoot up to 15 frames per second using a mechanical shutter, with even faster speeds using an electronic shutter. That kind of burst performance is crucial for action and wildlife photographers and could put Nikon's APS-C lineup on more equal footing with Canon's. Autofocus performance is expected to benefit from Nikon's recent advancements seen in models like the Z8 and Z9. With improved subject detection, face and eye tracking, and better performance across lighting conditions, a trickle-down of this tech into the Z90 would give it a serious edge. Stabilization could be another big win. The Z90 is said to include in-body image stabilization (IBIS), possibly offering up to 6 stops of shake compensation. That would mean steadier handheld shots, smoother video, and less reliance on gimbals or tripods, especially handy in low-light conditions. Notably, Canon's R7 skipped IBIS, so this feature could give Nikon a leg up. The design of the screen is still up in the air. Will it be a tilt-style display like the Z50, or a fully articulating screen suited for vloggers? Each has benefits. Tilting is simple and ideal for stills, while a fully articulated screen offers more flexibility for video creators and selfie shooters. In terms of memory, dual card slots are rumored, one for CF Express Type B and one for SD cards. That's a practical choice. CF Express cards deliver speed, while SD cards are cost-effective and widely available. Together, they offer the versatility that professionals and serious hobbyists appreciate. Some enthusiasts are speculating about the possibility of a stack sensor, which is faster and better at reducing rolling shutter effects, great for burst shooting and video. But stacked sensors typically raise costs, so Nikon might go with a traditional sensor to maintain a more accessible price point, much like Canon did with the R7. Pricing is a major consideration. Canon's Res launched under $1,500, and if Nikon wants the Z90 to be competitive, it'll likely need to aim close to that mark, perhaps slightly higher if it includes features like IBIS and higher-end video specs. The target audience will likely include enthusiasts upgrading from entry-level cameras and professionals seeking a powerful, compact second body. Now, shifting focus to the Z73, this model is expected to succeed the Z7 II as Nikon's high-resolution mirrorless option. It's rumored to feature a massive 61-megapixel sensor, positioning it directly against Sony's Alpha 7 Revolutions V. That kind of resolution is perfect for landscape, studio, and commercial photographers who demand the utmost in detail. The sensor is likely backside illuminated for improved dynamic range and better performance in low-light conditions. And combined with Nikon's well-regarded color science, images should look stunning straight out of the camera. Autofocus is getting a significant upgrade too. The Z73 might feature a 493-point phase detection system with advanced subject tracking powered by AI. That means more accurate tracking of people, animals, vehicles, and more great for wildlife, events, or high-speed scenarios. In-body stabilization is also expected to improve, possibly offering up to 8 stops of correction. Nikon may also implement focus point-based stabilization, which adjusts stabilization around the active focus area, very useful for telephoto shooting. Under the hood, the Z73 is said to run on dual Speed 7 processors. These will enable faster shooting, improved noise reduction, and new features like 8000 video. That's right, rumors suggest it will support 8000 recording at 30 fps, 6000 with full sensor readout, and 4000 at up to 120 fps. And for serious filmmakers, internal 12-bit RAW video could be available, offering tremendous flexibility in post. One common concern with 8000 recording is overheating, but Nikon may borrow the efficient heat management systems found in the Z8 and Z9 to avoid this issue, something that previously challenged Canon with the R5. Build-wise, the Z73 is expected to have a durable magnesium alloy body, weather sealing, and a 3.2-inch touchscreen that tilts in multiple directions, helpful for composing from creative angles. The electronic viewfinder could sport over 5.7 million dots and a bright 4000 nit display, offering excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Pricing is anticipated to fall between $3,500 and $3,800 more than the Z90, but comfortably below the flagship Z8. This places it in a premium, yet somewhat accessible range. As for availability, most signs point to a release in late 2025, likely between August and November. That gives Nikon time to refine performance, build inventory, and prepare for a successful launch. To sum it up, Nikon is aiming high with these 2 new models. The Z90 is positioned for action shooters, hybrid creators, and serious enthusiasts. The Z73 targets professionals who prioritize resolution, image quality, and advanced video features. If Nikon delivers on these expectations, these cameras could mark a turning point and bring many photographers back into the Nikon ecosystem.